Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So, in this video, we are going to see how bad debts management will work in Jainam Software. So, just have a look. So, from the ledger, go to Add to Favorite and here select bad debts and just add to the favorite. So we have added bad debts to the favorite. Now from the search bar, search one customer from the search bar, search one customer and here you can see the all details of customer. So from the loan, just create one loan against him. So for example, let's take 20,000, 2% rate of interest and for 20 week and just calculate. And now this is 20,000 and just calculate. And now just save this entry. So after that 54 loan number is created. So from the search bar, search the customer, search the loan, customer's loan, loan number 54. So here you can see the loan is created and the principal amount and interest. So 1093, just receive this amount and now go to the installment tracker. So here you can see the principal and interest together is 1093. So we have received this. So after that, in this situation, the bad debts, that is a receivable that is now irrecoverable from the person. That's the borrower. The capital is given to the borrower, but he is not able to pay. So in this case, that is declared as a bad debts. So what we can do, from the status information, just select this as a bad debt. And are you sure to change loan status to bad debts so that the principal due 19,000 will be marked as a bad debt. So that is nothing but the projected income. So that is projected interest will be receivable from that borrower. So now that is irrecoverable. So just click on yes. And now you can see the account is closed automatically. So here go to the installment tracker. The impact is also on installment tracker. You can see the principal amount is only calculated and the remaining 000. So this account is declared as a bad debts and that will be closed. So from the business summary, go to the account statement and just select bad debts and just refresh. So here you can see the bad debts entry, the amount and the loan number, principal received. So the entry is visible. And from the status report, go to the summary and just personal and refresh. So here you can see against the bad debts, one account is here. The entry is against the bad debts, loan number 54. So this type bad debts will be managed in Jainam Software. So thank you for watching this video. and don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.